why your small generator or your small petrol engine suddenly rev up or increase the RPM just suddenly. This is the reason, and listening to this video will really help you. This thing I'm holding is called governor gear. This is the governor control of this engine, of every petrol generator or every petrol engine. The governor is working with this rack. You can see as I'm controlling it, that is how it works. It is connected to your carburetor and it is responsible for increasing the speed, the RPM of your generator or your small engine. You can see the spring, how it's connected to your engine. This little plastic gear, if eventually it got broken like this one now, this is the old one, it damages because it was damaged. Because of that, the engine starts, the RPM increase to the extent that it became uncontrollable. So as you can see, this is what is responsible for it. If you notice that suddenly your generator just increased the speed, then you should know that your governor gear has scattered, that you need to replace your governor gear. And this is what happened to this engine. The engine was working and suddenly it rev up, the speed increases, the RPM increases, and it become uncontrollable. And that is why I replaced the governor gear. As you can see, this is the governor gear. It controls the speed, the RPM of your engine. When the RPM of your engine becomes too high, it is bad for the engine because that can blow up your engine. So if you notice that your engine suddenly increase the RPM, the speed just increases, you should come and check this part. This is called governor gear. In most engine, it is plastic, and I'll tell you why. You can see other teeth, other gear here are metal or they are iron, but this very one is plastic. I'm going to tell you in another video why this part is made up of plastic, not metal. If you want me to do that video, just tell me in the comment section that I should make a video concerning this. Just say do the video and I'm going to do it. You can see this is governor gear, and this governor gear is essential part of your petrol engine because it's responsible for controlling the RPM of the engine. The RPM of the engine must be normal, but if this part is faulty, you notice that the RPM of the engine is going to increase abnormally, and when it increases abnormally, if you don't shut it down as quick as possible, that's going to cause havoc to the engine. In most cases, it blow up the engine. So to avoid engine blow up or your crankcase blow up, you need to ensure that you off the engine and you replace this part. If you replace this part, I can bet you your engine will be fixed. If you love this video, don't forget to share, like,